Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from group 6. My name is Ahmad Rafi and my partners here is Sahibuana Ahmad Yahya and also Kevin Ferdiansyah. So we are going to present our project review. Okay, so the first step is about knowing the user. So we interviewed some of the Telkom University students about how they use the LMS. So there are the methods of the gathering user data, and that is we use the semi-structured interview to gain knowledge regarding the user in order to be replicable between the user while still maintaining the richness of the information. And we came up with two types of users from the interview, and there are certified user and also the uncertified users that have a problem in using the LMS. Okay, and the second step is the business function. So from the result of the interview, the respondent have a problem in checking submission status and submitting assignment. So the checking submission status is where the user pain point exists. We found out the reason is because there is an iterative process, and also the submitting assignment just to update this function because we want to reduce the time it needed to upload the assignment because users usually upload it in the assignment in close to deadlines. Okay, so this is the user flow of the checking submission status. As you can see over here, in is an there is an iterative process that makes the user have to go through the current week page to see if there is an assignment and then go back again. And this is the submitting assignment. Here we have to access the uh, assignment and then submit it, and it will give a status is the assignment submitted or not. Okay, so the third step is understand the good UI. So we use the three clicks rule. The current LMS design are already simple enough and easy for the user to understand, but there is still some frustration, and every design has always has a room for improvement. That's why we are making it simpler by implementing the three clicks rule. And the color usability. The color that the LMS use is the color that represent the characteristic of Telkom University. However, it only help with the identity, but not the usability. And then the glassmorphism. The success of an entire website depends on the quality of the design. That's why it's important to constantly adapt to the current trend, also to show the compass adaptability. Cool. Okay. So this is the fourth step, the system menu and navigation. So this is our improvement of the LMS design. So we just by checking the submission status is just opening the right navigation bar and then hover on the calendar, and it will show every submitted assignment, the status of the submission of the assignment. And then the submitting assignment is by checking the timeline and straightly click upload and it will be submitted. Okay, so this is uh, the current LMS Windows. As you can see that this is a little bit uh, tricky, but some users still find it easy to use, but others um, kind of hard to use it in checking the assignment. Okay, the next one. And so this is our design of the LMS. So here is the timeline about to upload assignment and also the calendar on the side that check the status of the assignment.
This is our version of the LMS design. As you can see, we eliminate the announcement that are placed over here. Usually, I mean in the current LMS design, but in our design, we change it into courses. And here are the accessibility that I explained before to change the language. And the reason why checking submission status in our design is faster because we add the color here on the right notification bar on the calendar. We only need to hover to see whether the assignment has been submitted or not. As you can see here, right? It eliminates the iteration process in the current LMS design about checking submission status. And also for the uploading assignment, we don't need to go to another page to upload the assignment. That's why the time it takes is reducing from the current LMS design to our new design. See? As easy as that. And we also add the feedback so the user know if their assignment has been submitted or not. And also our another feature is the calendar. Here are the calendar. It's also tell us about the assignment that has been submitted or not. And this is the color and blind mode that I told you about. See, on the dates that have unsubmitted assignment, there are X icon to tell the user about the failed assignment. And here are the exclamation point to tell the colorblind user about there are the deadlines of an active uh, on an active assignment which hasn't met its deadline. So I think that's all from our presentation. Ya, tutup aja.
Okay, so thank you for your attention and have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.